How to create Audiomack Artist Account. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to create an artist account on Audiomack. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out rightly the Audiomack website using the link down there in the video description below, or you can download them on Google Play Store or App Store. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see rightly, I'm on my Audiomack application, and right here I can only listen to different songs, but I can't manage to create or upload my songs on Audiomack. And in order to do that, I need to have an artist account on Audiomack, and you will need to have an Audiomack creator application first. And after you download it, you can just open it and log in your Audiomack account, and that will be automatically registered as an artist account. So if I log in my account right here on the creator of Audiomack, my account will be listed as an artist. So yeah, this is my dashboard, and if I go to my profile, as you can see, it listed me as an artist. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can create artist account on Audiomack. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.